In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on 1688. By the end, you'll have a working account using your mobile number, and you'll know exactly what to expect on each screen so nothing slows you down. Start by opening your browser and going to 1688.com. A desktop browser like Chrome can make this easier, especially if you turn on automatic page translation. If the page appears in Chinese, that's normal. Look toward the top right of the homepage for the button labeled Ju CE, which means register, and click it. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're not already signed in from a previous session and consider refreshing the page. On the registration page, choose the option for phone number registration. This ensures your account is tied to a mobile number and verified by text message. If you see multiple tabs or choices, select the one that clearly refers to signing up with a phone number. Next, select your country or region code. You'll usually find a drop-down that includes a plus sign, followed by the country calling code. You can often search by country name as well. Take a moment to confirm the correct code so your verification text reaches you without issues. Avoid using virtual or temporary numbers, as those are often blocked. Enter your phone number carefully. Type it without spaces or special characters unless your local format specifically requires them. Double-check each digit before moving on. Small typos will prevent the verification code from arriving. Complete the CAPTCHA to prove you're not a bot. On 1688, this is often a slider puzzle or image check. If it doesn't load, try refreshing the page, disabling a strict ad blocker, or briefly turning off a VPN. Complete the challenge until you see the confirmation that it's accepted. You'll now receive an SMS verification code. Keep the page open and your phone nearby. Codes are usually time-limited, so enter it promptly in the field provided. If the message doesn't arrive after a short wait, confirm your signal is strong, ensure you selected the right country code, and then use the resend option. Avoid requesting too many codes in quick succession. Once the code is entered correctly, click Confirm. At this point, your phone number is verified and your 1688 account is created. You should be signed in automatically and ready to explore. If the site prompts you with additional profile steps, you can complete those later at your convenience. That's it. You've successfully created your 1688 account using your phone number. Keep your number active for future logins and verifications, and consider enabling translation in your browser whenever you need it.